All right, so we're gonna do that again. Now, since it's smoked, I want to get it to break. And I think it died. Yeah, that died. That died. Which that does not surprise me at all, because it's their cheapest chainsaw, and I'm pretty sure this log, what I'm doing, it's probably like about 9 inches thick, probably 10 inches thick, but yeah, that's too thick for this chainsaw. Let's throw it on the fire. Anyways. Yeah, I think it died. Pretty sure something melted. There we go. So yeah, I think this died. We'll see. Alright, 2 things. I think my radio batteries are low, so I'm going to change those out. Because this keeps cutting in and out. It keeps turning itself off. I think the actual AAA batteries inside are low. There we go. Alright, let's see. Kept the memory, which is good. Now we'll see if that cuts out again. What I wanted to talk about really quick is this chainsaw. I only used this one other time before today, and it did a good job. I was using the 6 amp hour battery, and it chopped the logs up just fine that I was doing. Now today I did a more denser and thicker log, and I was putting pressure on it, of course, but today I was using the 9 amp hour battery. But we are gonna see, I'm gonna use a 3 amp hour battery to test it, to see if letting it chill for a few hours will do the trick. And I am interested to see if it works. I don't need to take the cap off. I'm not gonna be. Nope. Yeah, I can smell that motor. It's fried.
Home Depot.
And I was correct. Changing those batteries in that radio.
If you know the 3-digit extension of the.
Alright, so it looks like I am going to Home Depot. Alright. So I just got back from Home Depot. Did not have my brushless, the brushless one over at that Home Depot, and I have the gas powered one now, which I think it's gonna be good for what I need it for. Now I could have saved the motor, but I wanted the smoking motor for the video. So, and that's what I got. And I'm pretty sure all I had to do is let the engine cool off for a little bit, and then the motor cool off for a little bit, then it would have been fine. But I kept on pushing it and pushing it even after it was smoking. So it's my fault that my 18 volt chainsaw crapped out. It's my fault 100%. I messed up, but I got the footage though. On that little shelf is the small saw. I'm hoping that it fits. And now it won't lean forward at all. Looks good. Looks good. It's out of the way. And it's in a display. I like that. I can get something. Alrighty. I'm gonna put that piece of thing in there, then that's it. So I got a gas-powered 2-cycle 14-inch chainsaw from Ryobi. This is it. It's in the box. I like it. It looks good. It's 4 inches bigger, and it's gas. There is an inconvenience for the gas-powered one, though. It's not just pop your battery and then you're good to go. Just like my leaf blower, I will be having to prime this and let it warm up for a minute or two. That's gonna be loud, but this will be a very easy unboxing because it's a chainsaw. It just lift it out of the box and that's pretty much it. All right, now it does come with oil. Instructions comes with that gear oil or motor oil. Motor oil that you mix with gas, duh. And it comes with a wrench too. I believe that's probably to take off the chain. All right, but other than that, it is this and the chainsaw itself. So it's not bad. That is not too shabby. Let's take that off. And yes, that is not too shabby. It has the stop release in case you lunge forward. It'll automatically stop the chain from spinning. It's the choke. Fuel mix chain oil. Alright, since I do not see anything besides the primer for the gas, I think it's automatically, the chain oil on this automatically goes through, but the one on mine you actually needed a push for the oil to get on the chain. This one's automatic, I believe. It looks like it, at least. I will be reading the instructions on this, and I will be keeping this, the instructions for this. I'll put this away. I like that though. I like that. I mean, that is a lot beefier than the other one. I'm wondering if this will fit on there. Let's see. I might need to adjust that spot for this. More, I think that should do it. Bingo. That's good. That ain't going anywhere. That is not going anywhere. Do the trick, but I don't know. I'm gonna go have it checked out, see if I can get it fixed. If not, then I have this chainsaw.